Very good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh. Here today, our the topic is the distribution of the legislative and the financial power between the union and the states. Here we have to understand because it has. I already taught you the two words. One is the legislative. This is a form of a government. Here we would like to understand what are the source for the state government and the central government for the collection of the money or the collection of a fund. Here, the distribution of the legislative and the financial power between the union and the state. Here, first we will understand, and as we have already been understand in the yesterday class that especially in the reference of the India, the power of the central government is the definitely much than the state. So, when the power of the state is the much, and it is well known from my last class that each and every state and the union of the state of the India will get the uneven power, means as per the need, as per the rationality, and as per the justice, as per the real logic, they will get a fund you can say it from the center. But you cannot compare because the center having the always the dominance over the state as our constitution confirms, and even I taught you yesterday, especially in you can say holding together federations. Here the legislative and the executive financial power, we have to understand these two words, legislative and the executive. Basically these are the very two important forms of a government. Here the legal division of the work, first we have to understand that we have some central list. Central list means these are the jurisdictions of the center where the center can handle, like the central list. Here the dominance of the central government, especially it is only the central government that will look after on the following list, like the security, like the banks, like the currency, like the railway, like the roadways, like the airlines, like the inland transport, like the military, research and the development is even for the space, oil and the gas, petroleum, mines and the minerals. I have discussed very less. Actually, the central list having the 97 jurisdictions. Here, the jurisdiction is basically a legal term. Please understand the meaning of the jurisdiction is the legal authority referred to at that particular place. Means the power of the Patna DM will not act same as in the Motihari. The power of the Motihari DM will completely not active in the Betia. So the jurisdiction of the central list, the jurisdiction of a central list is a must. Here we have to understand the state list. In the state list, again the dominance of the state government. In a state list, like the law and the order, police, irrigation, agriculture, land, revenue, registry, local custom, excise, municipal tax, electricity tax and other maybe. It having the 66 jurisdiction means there are the 66 jurisdictions more where the state government can realize the money. Third, we have the concrete list. Here again the central government having the dominance. Especially this list includes the education, commerce, trade union, marriage, adoption, succession, local topics, etc. We having the 47 list, and finally residuary list. the central government dominance here, the computer, information technology, cyber security, internet and high-tech technology. Recently we have added the residuary list. The basic things, the best logic to understand these all the things, basically these are the forms of a government, like the central list, like the state list, like the corporate list, like the residuary list. And these are the heads. Security is the head, currency is the head, railway is the head, in the same as in the state. The municipal tax is the head, electricity tax is the head, police is the head, irrigation is the head. These are basically heads to realize the revenue for a state government, and these are the list for a realize the central list. Same like so like the concrete list and the residuary list. One thing we have to understand, central list are the financial revenue of the central. Whatever the money one can realize from the center jurisdiction, that will be a fund and the financial strength of the central. In the same manner, in the jurisdictions of the state list, whatever the realization of the revenue comes well within the state, that will be the state financial, state finance. In the same manner, the concurrent list, generally the fund and the finance and the realization of the concrete heads will come add in the central list, and residuary list, these are the new ones. So we must understand, one thing we must understand here, each list are the revenue heads, means whatever, these are a one list, these are a one list, these are a one list, these are a one list. Each list are the revenue heads to the secure to improve the power, improve the financial power of legislative and executive. And as we know, the legislative and the executive is the basically a form of the government. Again, I am the recapping here. We are here with the Constitution of the India. Here we will discuss the distribution of the legislative and the financial power between the union and the state. The legislative and the executive financial power, the legal division of the world. Generally, in the central list, currency, railway, bank, island, inland transport, military, research and development, banks, space, oil and gas, petroleum, mines and the minerals, and along with the 97 jurisdictions come. I already discussed and I made you very much clear about what the jurisdiction is. Jurisdiction is nothing, it is simply a legal authority towards the certain, related to a certain locality and a certain space. Here the state list, here the dominance of the state government. Here comes the heads, law and order, police, irrigation, agriculture, land, revenue, registry, local custom and excise duty, municipal tax, electricity tax and the etc maybe, and we having the 66 jurisdiction, and finally the concrete list, the central government dominance. Here the education, commerce, trade, marriage, adoption, succession and legal topic, 47 jurisdiction generally here comes. And in generally concurrent list finally goes to the central list. And residuary list, this is a new type of the list where the information technology, computer, internet and the cyber security and the high-tech technology comes. And finally you have to understand basically the legislative and the executive, these are the two form of the government, and each list are the revenue heads to secure and improve the financial power. In this manner, I am just closing and taking a goodbye from you. From the next time again we will see you. Thank you.